So, in a week, sorry, I'm off to Dartmoor for the first time. Yep, I'm finally going there. That's been the end goal. That's one of the reasons I started this, so I could see glorious places like Dartmoor. I don't want to be lugging around a backpack that's twice the weight of me. So, I've got to lighten it. I've ordered some camping meals and some meals that aren't actually camping. I've ordered this. It was £4.95 on Amazon. It's a Wayfarer pasta bolognese. Now, I've never tried stuff like this before, but I have heard that these are really, really good. I've actually got two of these, and I also got meatballs and pasta, which is also Wayfarer. Pardon. That should be coming along soon, but as I've got this one, we'll try this one. It can't be much different. I also ordered this, and yet again, I got two of these. Mama instant noodles, beef flavour. These are also from Amazon, and they're 85 pence each. 85p for a pot noodle. Now these are Taiwanese. I think that's what you say, Taiwanese. If I got it wrong, I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend or piss people off. That's not my deal. Uh, and a friend of mine who works with some people from Thailand asked about these, and apparently they're really good. But what I really like about them is they come with a very small foldable plastic fork.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
So if I've forgotten my cutlery, you're on your way there already, aren't you? And the thing is, you can keep that fork. If it's lightweight and decent, you carry on eating the rest of your tucker. So it's not just about being light, they've got to be tasty. And also they haven't got to put a dent in my wallet. So what we'll do is, we'll take these to the lav and test them out. After cooking them, obviously, we'll test them. Yeah, sit rep. As you can see, this is not pasta bolognese. This is meatballs and pasta. The other food packets, the Wayfarer packets I ordered, it was two of these basically, even though I ordered one of these and another pasta bolognese. So we'll be trying this in the video now. I do apologise if you were looking forward to me eating pasta bolognese, but this can't be much different since, well, one minute, one minute. If you have a look, it says on the meatballs and pasta, it says succulent beef meatballs and tomato sauce with pasta shells. On the pasta bolognese, it says pasta shells, minced beef in a rich tomato sauce infused with garlic and basil. Now, there cannot be too much difference except for the fact that the minced beef in this one is formed into balls in this one. So, yeah, there can't be much difference. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm reading the back here. Pan of boiling water on a suitable camp stove, leave for 7 to 8 minutes. So yeah, so I've got my fire maple stove here because my little cook kit is a bit small and will not fit this in it, so we'll have to use that. Right, where to start? So get that set up. Get a little bit of water in there at the moment. So see if we can get it up higher. So we'll get this going. We'll have to fold it. Put it in there like that. We'll put some more water in there. See how it goes. Right, so I think that's nearly ready. We've got 34, 30 odd seconds, so we'll let the alarm go off, then I'll turn it off. But Yeah, I haven't actually thought this through. I don't actually know how I'm gonna eat it. I haven't got a long enough fork. We'll have to pour it on a plate. Okay. It feels warm. Let's open this up. As you can tell, I'm an amateur. It doesn't look appetising to me, but it's warm. So, let's pour it. Doesn't look too bad, actually. Smells alright. Nothing left. Okay. So, here's a pasta. Very small shells. Sauce. It bloody smells nice. It really does. Meatballs. Yeah, as I expected. Mushy. Just soft and... So as I cut into these. Alright, let's try a little bit of this. Has a very odd flavour. It tastes plasticky, which isn't ideal, but yeah, feed you. Meatball. Try that. Actually tastes like beef. I think this is supposed to be pork, isn't it? Oh, beef. So we're right there. But, yeah, you can eat it. It's edible. And again, so is boot polish. Let's try some more meatballs. Yeah. It will do, but I couldn't live off that. Boil in the bag meal. I don't know what they put in it. It's almost like dairy or something. But if I have a pasta bolognese or meatballs and pasta in a bolognese sauce, I actually want it to taste like a bolognese sauce. That kind of tasted like how you ever had cheese on toast and burnt it? Well, there you go. The noodles instructions are pretty simple. Open the lid partially, add seasoning, pour the boiling hot water and fill up to the inside line. Wait for 3 minutes. Let's have a look. Bloody get it open. No wonder noodles last so long. You can't get them out of the bloody container. There we go. Okay. So we've got powder, sauce, and where in the piss is my little fork? Hang on. 1 minute. Sit back, there's no bloody fork. Right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see what we got. No bloody fork, that's for sure. Doesn't look too appetizing to me, but apparently these are really good. So give it a stir. Let's just give the noodles a basic taste. Just a little. Very earthy tasting. There's little balls in it. Something. What is that? Try that. I don't know what it is. It's nothing. It just dissolved. Let's try some more of this. It's just noodles. There's not a lot of flavour to them though. I suppose that's what you get for paying 85p for a pot of noodles. Yeah, I'm not sure about this cheap food lark. I don't think there's much to it really. So, what have we actually learned here? Well, cheap noodles, not always that good. Yeah, they're cheap for a reason, because they're not as good as others. These soba noodles, definitely buy these all day, every day, I'd say. In fact, I'll be taking this one with me to Dartmoor. Yeah, these are shit. Okay, don't buy these. Sorry, swear 'em. But yeah, those boil in the bag meals, the ready meals, edible. I'm not a fan. And for £5, you'd expect it to be gourmet. You know, I mean, I can go to the co-op down the road and buy a microwavable spaghetti bolognese for, I think it's £3. It tastes a lot better than that. Maybe I should do that. But yeah, conclusion is, I'm still looking for some food for next weekend. I'm sorry it's been a bit of a dull video, and it's only a crappy food review, but I can't get out this weekend. My health's not great, and I've got stuff to do. So yeah, but if you got this far, thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe, comment if you want, and if you've got any recommendations, food wise, I can take with me that is lightweight and cheap, please put it in the comment section. I can't get the bloody horrible vegetable taste out of it. It's like mould. Yeah, as always, much love. Thanks for watching. Horrible.